Correct way to write line to file? How do I write a line to a file in modern Python? I heard that this is deprecated. Also, does \n work on all platforms, or should I use / or \n on Windows?
This should be as simple as. From the documentation. Do not use os.linesep as a line terminator when writing files opened in text mode. The default, use a single \n instead, on all platforms. Some useful reading. The with statement, open A is for append, or use W to write with truncation. Os, particularly, os.linesep.
You should use the print function, which is available since Python 2.6+. For Python 3 you don't need the import, since the print function is the default. The alternative in Python 3 would be to use. Quoting from Python documentation regarding new lines. When writing output to the stream, if new line is none, iniqua. If new line is ora. If new line is any of the other legal values, iniqua. See also, reading and writing files, the Python tutorial.
The Python docs recommend this way. So this is the way I usually do it. Smile. Statement from docs.python.org. It is good practice to use the with keyword when dealing with file objects. This has the advantage that the file is properly closed after its suite finishes, even if an exception is raised on the way. It is also much shorter than writing equivalent try finally blocks.
Regarding os.linesep. Here is an exact unedited Python 2.7.1 interpreter session on Windows. On Windows. As expected, os.linesep does not produce the same outcome as \n. There is no way that it could produce the same outcome. Hither plus os.linesep is equivalent to hither / or \n, which is not equivalent to hither \n. It's this simple, use \n which will be translated automatically to os.linesep. And it's been that simple ever since the first port of Python to Windows. There is no point in using os.linesep on non-Windows systems, and it produces wrong results on Windows. Do not use os.linesep.